Welcome to Stagersey Light Railway, a 7¼ gauge steam railway in rural Somerset. However, there won't actually be any steam engines in today's video. We are, in fact, joined by our contractors Fretwork Rail, who are completing some maintenance on the line.
Where's your high vis?
Yeah. Well, the health and safety inspector's not here today.
That's true, he's not.
The beautiful rays of summer sunshine that we get here in Somerset can wreak havoc with the sleepers on our railway. The constant expanding and retracting of the rail in the extreme heat can cause the sleepers to twist and turn. So here the guys are pulling up the sleepers to the correct level, and then we simply reballast over the top. Our 060 petrol locomotive, Clunky, has been assigned today's task of moving the stone from the stone heap to where it's needed along the line. Well, talk about lying down on the job. Typical of our contractors, Fretwork Rail. Everything was going so well, until just like on the main lines in the UK, we had a problem. Clunky, our choice of motive power for the day, developed a serious problem. Clunky has been named Clunky because that's the sound it makes when it goes along the line. And this isn't really the sound that any locomotive should make. The sound got worse and eventually led to a catastrophic failure. All the wheels locked up and she wouldn't move for love nor money. So here she is upside down on the workbench, and after taking all the wheels off and then putting them back on again and taking the connecting rods off and putting them back on again and generally having a good spannering, we managed to get her back to life. Here we're just fitting a new drive shaft key. Not sure what happened to the other one, but at least we've got a replacement. Everything's spinning the way it should. It's time to get her back on the track and refit the petrol engine. Can you hear that sound? Neither can we. Clunky's lost its clunk. After a short roll down the hill, it's time to fire up the petrol engine and go for a test run around the line. And so we get there in the end. Clunky's running correctly, there's some fresh ballast on the line and all the railway sleepers have been straightened out. We're getting the line ready for a few guest locomotives that are coming to visit. Hopefully our camera team will catch all the action and we'll have a new video for you. Until next time, keep on train spotting and goodbye.